YouTubers. I just want to make a quick video here of unboxing my new gimbal that I bought for my GoPro. Lately I've started using a GoPro Hero 10. This gimbal works with any GoPro model and actually other models of action cameras. Let's see, DJI, Osmo Action, just several other cameras in general. I don't know if you guys can see this list here, all the cameras. So I try to do my research as best as possible before I just go out and buy something. I try to find a good quality product before I would recommend it or anything like that. So before I recommend this one, I just want to do like an unboxing video so you guys get an idea what we got here. This is the Hohem iSteady Pro 4. You guys can see this. I just want to unbox it and give you my first impression of it. But so far on the market, this looks to be the best product for the money. And price-wise, it's only at $99, which is pretty impressive for the videos that I've watched about it and so far all the things that it can do. Comes with a nice carrying case here. So what a stabilizer or GoPro does, or I'm sorry, what a stabilizer or a gimbal does for you, it helps give you a nice, smooth, steady shot, more cinematic, more director feel, not so much a, you're holding a camera and it's jiggling around, that kind of thing. So what we have here, we open it up, first thing you're gonna get is a manual. Looks like a little looks like a little quick reference card. Just basic stuff, how to charge the battery, mounting your camera, how to turn it on. There's some warranty information you can send in. Just a little QR code to scan to download the app. Here's the actual manual itself. It's actually pretty nice and thick. Looks like a lot of decent information about setting it up, how to use it, using the app, how to mount the camera, operation, connecting remote control. So another nice thing about this gimbal here is that you can connect it to your smartphone. You just download the app, whether it's in the Apple download or in your Android download store. First impression is that it's, I'm not going to say heavy, but it's decently heavy. It's the weight of, say, picture maybe like 2 D-size batteries, just decent enough amount of weight. Doesn't feel light, doesn't feel cheesy, anything like that. Down here at the bottom, it's a rubberized grip. So when you hold it in your hand, it's not slippery by any means. Here in the front, looks like we have the record button or also your power button. Probably just going to press and hold that down for it to power on. Next is going to be your mode button. There's 4 different modes here. I've been learning about the different modes of, like the first mode, it just smoothly does your video left to right. The second mode allows left to right and up and down. I think the third mode actually locks the camera on an object. So no matter where you move the gimbal, it stays on the same stationary object. And then I think the fourth mode is kind of like a free-for-all. The gimbal allows your camera to go up, down, left, right, diagonal, whatever. So we'll get into that. When you hold the gimbal, your finger's right here on the trigger button. I believe if you tap the trigger button twice, it automatically resets the gimbal back to the original settings. Then of course you have this up and down arrow, which then would take your GoPro and tilt it left or right if you have like a weird angle. And then of course the joystick is going to allow the gimbal to go, you know, if you want it to slowly move and pan and tilt for you, it'll go through that as well. So here's the actual gimbal itself. We have a threaded piece here on the side if you want to mount that to a tripod. There's a threaded piece on the bottom. You could mount it on a tripod this way if you like. Also here in the packaging, it comes with a little miniature tripod. And that's just going to mount right here on the bottom. And that's my cat in the background making some noises, just meowing in the other room. So it does have a nice little tripod here. So you can fit this, you know, like if say if you're out hiking or something like that, or going to a sporting event, You can kind of fit this all in this little carrying case, and it does come with a miniature tripod. So that is nice as well. You could leave it on there at all times, or you can easily unscrew it. Also here in the packaging, it comes with 3 different adapters. So what this adapter is going to allow it to do is, here where your actual GoPro or your action camera is going to mount up to it, you can actually plug in this cable, and then this other end will go right into your GoPro, and it'll charge your GoPro, and it can actually double or quadruple the amount of battery life of your GoPro. So the battery in here is strong enough to last 14 hours. Obviously it'll be less if you're charging your GoPro as well. But it's an unbelievable amount of battery life. It's one of the highest ones on the market, at least to my knowledge. You know, and if I say something wrong, feel free to correct me, but overall, this is supposed to be the best gimbal. I mean, for $99, that's also, the price point's great. I've heard the app itself is absolutely amazing, easy to use, easy to navigate. Then this would just be the charging cable to actually charge your GoPro itself. Here on the side, there's just a little cover. When you charge it, you want to use the bottom one, the USB Type-C. That is the input to charge the actual battery of the GoPro. So there's a lithium-ion battery inside the actual handle here. So you would charge it that way. You would plug the other one just into your charging dock or your laptop or whatever you're using to charge with. Then the top one is actually power out. So then you could unplug this, flip the cord around backwards, plug it in the top, and you could either A, charge your GoPro, charge your smartphone, whatever, because this is a nice large battery to use. So at my first reaction of unboxing this, it seems like a good quality product. Like I said, it's not too heavy, but it's heavy enough. Also, there's 4 LED lights here on the side. That will just show you the percentage of battery charge. Looks like it comes fully charged from the manufacturer. All 4 lights are lit up. That means 100%. Yeah, over the next few weeks, I'll be using this when I make my GoPro videos of going to car shows or whatever I may be doing. But my first initial reaction is that this is a pretty decent product. Looks like it easily goes back here in the case. Put everything away. But all in all, this is like an easy, nice carrying case you can go traveling with, throw it in your backpack, whatever you may be doing that day. So first initial reaction, Hohem iSteady Pro 4. So far I give it a thumbs up. Like I said, give it a few weeks and I'll be using this on all my videos, and I'll let you know how much more I like it or dislike it, or any problems I find with it or good perks about it. But so far, thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.